A second SCP is here. Once again, this is not a test. A second SCP has entered our world. This kind of deer is called SCP-4434, also known as the anglerfish. Its appearance is a deer with glowing eyes and sharp teeth. It may look like an animal, but this is not currently confirmed. There have been no casualties the anglerfish has made, but reports of them kill some people with their sharp teeth. Those deers will chase if you scream and make a loud noise. So for the safety of the anglerfish, don't panic, stay very quiet and don't break eye contact. If the deer wants to fight you, move very slowly away from them. Thank you for your information. Stay tuned for more emergency alert systems.